CS PracticeWorks. What's New video for version 8.1. Appointment Book Enhancements. PracticeWorks has an updated interface for scheduling and managing appointments. All the features and functions you rely on are still there, but the new screen configuration makes it easier to see and access what you need. When you launch your software, the appointment book is the new default opening screen. Its redesigned format displays fully with a minimum monitor resolution requirement of 1024 by 768. The toolbar has been streamlined and is now displayed horizontally at the top of the screen under the menu tabs. You can further configure the toolbar from the PracticeWorks configuration utility. Select Start, All Programs, CS PracticeWorks, Configuration of CS PracticeWorks. Select Setup, General Configuration, Preferences, Toolbar. Select the buttons you want to hide. Make Appointment, NPA, Pick List, and Care Credit. Select whether to hide the buttons for this workstation or all workstations. Click Save Entry, then Close, and then close the configuration utility. The yellow sticky for the open day in the appointment book is now displayed at the top of the window, to the right of the toolbar. Click it to view general notes documented about the displayed day. The default appointment book displays all chairs in your operatory, and the book name is underlined and displayed to the right of the toolbar. If you have created more than one appointment book, you can click the up and down arrows to scroll through them. You can also click the underlined book name to display the Select Appointment Book to View window to choose a different book to be displayed. From this window, you can edit and add books. Click the Home icon to display the default appointment book. The date displayed in the appointment book is now displayed at the top of the window. Click the calendar icon next to the date to hide the floating calendar. Click it again to show the calendar. You can advance to future dates and return to the current date in the appointment book by clicking the date buttons. The current date is circled in blue in the calendar. The date displayed in the appointment book has a black square on it. In this example, the current date is January 5th, but the appointment book is open to January 6th. When the current day is also displayed in the appointment book, these two identifiers display on top of each other in the calendar. Another new feature of the floating calendar is that it can be manually dragged off screen. Click the calendar icon at the top of the screen to bump it back into view. For instance, if you drag the calendar off the bottom of the screen so that it is out of view, and then click on the calendar icon, the calendar reappears slightly at the bottom of the screen, enabling you to drag it back up into full view when you are ready. The left side of the appointment book also reflects a more efficient design. The entire day is reflected by the timeline appointment slots, and the up and down arrows have been enlarged, providing greater ease of scrolling forward and backwards through the time slots in the displayed date. The appointment book now includes a red time tracker that lets you know where you are in the current day. This red line extends across the screen. On any other day of the appointment book, the time tracker only displays in the time slot column. Drag and drop functionality has been added to the appointment book, making rescheduling more user-friendly. The pending page has also been expanded to hold more columns. This concludes the What's New video for CS PracticeWorks version 8.1.